Hello techies, this is lab 12.2.3 and we're going to configure Windows Update. So you are the asset administrator for a small corporate network. The company recently experienced some security incidents prompting a review and configuring Windows Update settings were needed. So in this lab, your task is to complete the following on Office 1. Access Windows Update settings and select Check for update. If any updates are found, they will automatically download and install. Configure Windows Updates to include updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows. Set Windows Update active hours for Office 1 from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then we're going to answer the questions that follow. Okay, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. So let's start up right away. We'll go over to the start menu and we'll go to settings. And according to our tags on the left pane, we want to go to Windows Update and check for update. So while that is checking for updates, so the update will start downloading. So we'll go to advanced options and we want to turn this on, receive updates for the Microsoft products, configure Windows Update to include update for other Microsoft products when you update Windows. Okay, that is done. Then we're going to set the Windows update active hours for Office 1, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this is the current active time here. So we want to change this from 6 a.m. Check this, and this is going to be 6. So go ahead and check this. And that is done. So let's go ahead and check answers, and let's answer some questions. Which option allows the computer to restart as soon as needed for updates? That one will be get me up to date. And the second question is, what is the I can see the answers here. Get me up to date. Restart as soon as possible, even during active hours. Okay, so I guess that is the correct answer. So let's just check around and be sure. Let's check around to be sure. Alright, so what is the most standard amount of update? That's going to be 5 weeks. So we'll go ahead and check our answers. Everything is correct. If you find this video to be helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need further assistance on how to solve other lab, or if there are other labs that you want me to sort out for you, you can consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.